Welcome to the Drive-On Safety Inspection demonstration. In this video, we will demonstrate how to conduct a safety inspection on a motorcycle using the Drive-On inspection equipment. Please note that safety should always be the #1 consideration when performing an inspection. Be sure you are wearing the proper personal protective equipment. The main menu contains the inspection menu button, remaining battery percentage, and Wi-Fi settings button used to connect the tablet to your vehicle inspection center's Wi-Fi. A help feature is available on each screen by clicking the question mark icon in the top right corner. This will provide helpful information for the current portion of the inspection. You can also use the video conference feature from any screen to speak with the Drive-On Assistance team. Select Inspection menu to begin. On the inspection menu screen, you will see all the available options for the technician. For this demonstration, we are selecting the second option, Safety Inspection. On the Safety Inspection menu screen, you'll see a variety of options. Login credentials are used to determine user accessibility, however training modes are accessible to any technician assigned to a vehicle inspection center. Available options include: the Perform LDV/Motorcycle Safety Inspection option is used to complete safety inspections on cars, motorcycles, and pickup trucks not requiring a commercial inspection sticker. The In-Progress Safety Inspection option is selected when the technician is logging back into the application to continue an inspection that was started but not yet completed. The Perform LDV/Motorcycle Safety Training mode is used for practicing light-duty vehicle and motorcycle safety inspections. For this demonstration, we will select the option, Perform LDV/Motorcycle Safety Inspection. The technician will be prompted to enter their unique user ID and password to log into the system. This is the same user ID and password created during registration on the Drive-On portal. For additional security, during your first login of the day, you will receive a security code by email and text if a mobile phone was added to the technician's account. The code must be entered into the inspection tablet to validate the technician's identity. Once the system confirms that everything is checked, you can proceed by selecting Continue. The technician will be prompted to take a photo of the vehicle, including the license plate. A clear and legible photo is required to proceed. Then select if the vehicle is plated or unplated, and if plated, enter the vehicle's license plate number. If the vehicle license plate was issued from another province or country, change the appropriate fields using the drop-down menus. Next, the technician will be prompted to capture up to 5 optional pre-inspection photos with the tablet's rear-facing camera to store with the inspection record. These photos can be used to capture pre-existing damage to the vehicle or other items you may wish to document at the beginning of the inspection. On the compliance photo screen, the technician will be required to photograph the compliance label of the vehicle being inspected. Up to 3 photos can be taken to capture the entire compliance label. All information must be clear and legible. Retake any pictures as needed to ensure clarity. To enter the VIN, the technician will select the Scan VIN Barcode button to scan the VIN using the rear-facing camera. If the barcode cannot be scanned, the technician must manually enter the VIN in the boxes provided. If entered manually, the technician will be prompted to enter the VIN twice to ensure accuracy. Confirm the VIN is entered accurately and select Continue. The inspection tablet will decode the VIN and display the results. The technician must review the pre-populated vehicle information, fix any entries that are not correct, and complete any fields that remain unpopulated. Please note that the technician is responsible for verifying all information is accurate before proceeding. For this demonstration we will be selecting hydraulic brakes. The technician will determine if the vehicle's odometer is readable and functioning and will check the appropriate box. The technician will then be prompted to take a photo of the instrument cluster with the odometer information displayed and enter the odometer reading in the field below. It is the responsibility of the technician to ensure submitted photos are clear and contain the information required. If Fail or Repair is selected, the technician must note the reason and take a photo before proceeding. Please note that entering any of the safety items as a fail will result in the vehicle failing the inspection. Any items which you repair at your inspection center should be listed as repair. When you repair a component, the tablet considers it a pass. Once complete, select Continue. The technician is now prompted to enter additional vehicle information such as the number of axles. After entering the data, the application will populate checklists for each axle on the vehicle. Select the drop-down menu for each axle and answer the following questions. The number of tires, the brake type, disc or drum. This information is used to populate the list of safety items later in the test. Select Continue. The technician can now select any of the categories shown. Selecting one of these categories will populate a list of safety items for that area. Some categories require you to complete additional steps. This can include taking additional photos, recording measurements, and adding notes. Categories marked with a star are mandatory. If the technician selects the Safety Inspection Standard link, the inspection standards will display on the screen for the technician's review. For this demonstration, the technician is going to start by selecting the brake category. This displays the list of brake system items. When there are more items in a category than can fit on a single screen, the navigation arrows at the bottom will display green. Items marked with a star indicates that measurements must be entered into the tablet. We will select brake lining to demonstrate the subpage listing of items. You will again notice the stars indicating that mandatory measurements are required. Select brake shoe/pad lining thickness. Select the drop-down for each brake assembly. Take in photo and enter the friction material thickness for both inner and outer pads on each brake assembly. Please note the measuring device must be included in the photo. After taking a clear and legible photo of the brake assembly with measuring device showing the measurement and entering the thickness, select Continue. Select the appropriate box, either Pass, Fail, or Repair for each item. Now select Continue. Select brake rotor. Select rotor thickness. Select the drop-down for each brake assembly. Enter the rotor thickness and select the appropriate box to indicate if the rotor is within the manufacturer's OEM specifications. Take a photo of each rotor including the measuring device with the digital readout displayed and legible. Once complete, select Continue. Select Pass, Fail, or Repair for the remaining brake rotor components, then select Continue. Select Pass, Fail, or Repair for the remaining brake system components and then select Continue. The next mandatory inspection item is suspension, wheels, and tires. Select suspension, wheels, and tires to enter mandatory measurements for that section. Start by selecting tires. Then select tire tread depth. Select the drop-down menu for each tire assembly. Take a photo and select the tread depth for each tire using the drop-down menu. Please note the measuring device must be included in the photo. For more information about inspection photo requirements, please see Directive Schedule 4, Appendix 4C, Examples of Proper Inspection Photographs. After taking a clear and legible photo of the tire tread depth with the measuring device showing the measurement and entering the tread depth, select Continue. Select Pass, Fail, or Repair for each category and then select Continue. Select Pass, Fail, or Repair for the remaining categories listed in suspension, wheels, and tires. Select Continue once you have completed this step. Now, the technician is going to demonstrate how to enter a repaired component by selecting the lighting category. Then, they select lamps and reflectors. The technician is going to select item number 9, which requires the headlamp shall be secure and the lens shall not be cracked or broken. As part of the repair demonstration, the technician is going to select repaired for cracked or broken, which means that they made the repair while the vehicle was at the vehicle inspection center being inspected. If the headlamp was cracked or broken and was not repaired by the technician, they would select fail. When a component is marked as fail, the technician will be required to take a photo or short video to document the condition. However, photographic and video documentation and notes can be added for any component, whether it is a pass, fail, or repair. In this example, the technician is going to demonstrate taking a photo. Select the camera icon on the left. The technician now has the option to choose photo or video. For this demonstration, the technician will select photo. Next, the technician enters notes by selecting the notepad icon on the right. Once the notes are entered, the technician will select save. After that, the technician selects continue to proceed with the inspection. The technician will select pass, fail, or repair for the remaining items. They will then select continue when they have completed the list. You must follow the same procedure for the remaining categories to complete the inspection. Once pass, fail, or repair has been selected for each category, select Submit to finish the inspection. The next screen displays the inspection summary for the technician to review. You must review the entries. Select the back button to navigate back to the appropriate pages to make changes to the safety component results. Note, the VIN and vehicle information cannot be changed at this point. A new inspection would need to be performed if the VIN or vehicle information needs changed. If no changes are required, the technician will sign their name using their finger directly on the touchscreen tablet. Once they have signed the inspection summary, they will select Continue. The Safety Inspection Report, or SIR, will now appear for the technician's review. Please note that at this point, the record is saved and cannot be changed. Select Close when you are finished reviewing the report. Once you close the SIR, a small window will pop up stating that the SIR was uploaded successfully to the server. A copy of the report will be sent to the Vehicle Inspection Center owner and delegates automatically. If the vehicle has passed the inspection, a Safety Standards Certificate, SSC, will also be emailed. The technician will be provided the option to email the safety inspection report and certificate to the motorist or customer. The inspection report and the certificate for past inspections will be uploaded to Service Ontario and available for download. The email to the motorist can be in either English or French by checking one or both options. The technician will enter the motorist's email address and then select Send. The email will not be saved to the tablet. Here is an example of the email. This concludes our demonstration of a motorcycle inspection with the new inspection equipment.